back to another video. I have a special guest with the Scooter Gator. Now, my dog, come here. My dog, he's right there. Oh, you're so cute. He said that's, hey buddy. Hey, say hey. Come here. Say hey, Gator. Say it. Say it. Say it. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Gator. Say it. So, come here. Okay. Hi, just sitting down here. As you can tell, I just have a worry. Yeah. I ask you again, you, if you have any suggestions on how to upload a video, because I've been uploading for like weeks now, maybe a month, and still hasn't uploaded. It says errors in the video. I don't know how to do anything. So if y'all could help me out there, I'll be really appreciative. My dog will too. Yeah. Talk about you. Yeah. Well, yeah, guys. Hope y'all really enjoy this video. No good job. But with this street, he just ripped it. I'm sorry. I tried to brush it off. Yeah, it's blurry. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all next time. Hopefully with my doggy Gator. I love him so much. Yeah. So yeah, guys. He's staring at my dog yet. So if y'all have any suggestions on that, I'll show you my second pet next video. So yeah, he's was my crush. Well, he's 4 years old this year. Yeah. Oh, baby, don't act like that. You have to go with your plans. He just doesn't care. I know, but if y'all have any suggestions on that, I'll leave and y'all put in what is it called? Comments down below. And I will be doing an unboxing sooner or later. On a thing. And I will be doing, I'll try to do, also if y'all want a Q&A, we can do that. Questions and then answers, you know what I mean? So we can do that one day. Just leave a comment down below and I'll do those things. So yeah, go check out my brother's channel. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.